Today, we're diving into the sleek and powerful ZLINE 30-inch Autograph Edition professional wall oven with air fry and self-clean. This oven isn't just about looks, it's packed with features designed to elevate your cooking experience. From style to functionality, let's explore what makes this appliance a must-have for your kitchen. First, let's talk style. The exclusive polished gold handle adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Paired with the premium stainless steel finish, this oven effortlessly blends elegance with a professional-grade design. It's not just about cooking, it's about making a statement. This unique design elevates the aesthetic of any modern kitchen while maintaining the durability you need. Inside, the oven offers true convection cooking with bake, roast, and broil modes. Whether you're making a crispy roast or delicate pastries, expect even and precise heating every time. The spacious 5.0 cubic foot capacity means you've got room to cook multiple dishes at once, perfect for family meals or hosting dinner parties. And for healthier meals, the air fry mode delivers oil-free frying with a breeze. The easy-to-clean basket ensures convenience after every use. Ease of use is key. The innovative digital display lets you navigate cooking options with a simple touch. You can effortlessly switch between modes and settings, making it ideal for chefs of all levels. Plus, the built-in child lock ensures safety for households with little ones. For energy efficiency, the Sabbath mode keeps it running smartly for up to 72 hours. And when it comes to reliability, the built-in temperature probe ensures that your meals reach perfection with accurate temperature readings every time. The ZLINE oven doesn't just stop there. It's designed with a high-caliber cooling fan to prevent overheating, ensuring both safety and longevity. The built-in design allows it to fit seamlessly into your kitchen cabinetry, giving you a sleek, modern look. With its versatile options, you can rely on this oven for everything from daily dinners to special occasions. The ZLINE Autograph Edition isn't just an oven, it's your partner in culinary success, style, precision, and versatility all in one appliance. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? This might just be the perfect fit for you. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this oven has everything you need to take your meals to the next level.